This is a 15-minute guided meditation for the Sun in Capricorn. My name is Kat, and you are watching the Soul Sister channel. The purpose of the Sun in Capricorn meditation is to help us learn to bring our inner world into our outer world. We will learn to have the outer world reflect who we are in our inner world connected with our higher selves. To begin this meditation today, we are going to find a comfortable spot, however we feel comfortable, sitting, laying down maybe, a place where we will be undisturbed for the next 15 minutes. Now in our space, we are going to take 3 deep cleansing breaths to release all the negativity, all the toxicity, all the low vibration from our physical, emotional, and mental bodies. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we release all disease, all negativity, all toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. We see all the darkness, all the negativity, all the toxicity. We see it all flowing out of our bodies. We see it flowing away. We see any pain that we have, any disease, discomfort. We see it all flowing away. Second deep cleansing breath. On this second deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. We see all the negativity, all the disease, all the toxicity. We see it all flowing away, flowing out of our bodies. All our sadness, our unworthiness, we see it all flowing away. Our fear, see it flow away out of our bodies. Picture it as darkness and watch it flow right out. Third breath. On this third deep cleansing breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the darkness, all the negativity, all the toxicity. We see it flowing out of our bodies and flowing away. All our righteousness, our tendency to be critical, wanting to be better than others, we see it all flowing away, flow away. In the place of this darkness, we see our bodies being filled with this incredible white light. See this white light filling every crevice inch of our bodies. This white light is made up of white light, love, power, and goodwill. We see it fill our entire bodies, and now we picture this white light that has completely filled our bodies. We see it go out from our bodies and form a protective bubble around us. This bubble made up of white light, love, power, and goodwill. It is deflecting all evil, all low vibration, all negativity. It's deflecting it, and it's going back to wherever it came from, leaving us in this space of white light, connected with our higher self. Now, in this space of white light, connected with our higher self, we are going to look into the magical reflective pool. We have done this before. Many of us have done this before, so we go back, and in our minds we look into this reflective pool. And when we look into the reflective pool, reflected back to us, we see our perfect selves. In our grandest imagination, our perfect selves, who we dreamed to be, who we wished we were, we actually see that person reflected back to us, and it is us. We see us working. We're doing the work that brings us joy, that brings us bliss. It makes us feel so happy and fulfilled. We can't wait in the morning to wake up in the morning and to begin our work. We love it so much. We see that. We see what it is reflected back to us. Our perfect selves doing our perfect work. And now finally we see our power. The power of who we are. And we are conscious of our power. And now that we see who we truly are in our most perfect work, we use our power consciously to protect that vision and to manifest that vision. Take a moment, look into the reflective pool, and get used to feeling your perfect self, doing your perfect work, and having the power to manifest it in your outer world. Now, in this space of white light, connected with our higher self and seeing our true, authentic self doing the work that brings us bliss, we are going to say our Sun in Capricorn affirmation. I work to make my outer world a reflection of my inner world, relationship with my higher self, and my spiritual growth. Let's say the affirmation together. I work to make my outer world a reflection of my inner world, relationship with my higher self, and my spiritual growth. Now we're going to stay in this space, and I want us to visualize, pretend that we are our perfect selves doing our perfect work. We're going to visualize and pretend we already are our perfect selves. Now, let's step back from the magic reflective pool. We sit back in our space of white light, connected with our higher self. But now, as we reflect upon ourselves, we can only see our perfect self doing our perfect work. We imagine what that might look like in the outer world. We fantasize on how we can make our dreams come true. We don't hold back. There are no limitations. And now, let's wiggle our fingers. Let's wiggle our toes. Flutter our eyes if we've had them closed. Let's just take one more deep cleansing breath. Whew. And we see our whole being, our true self, filled with white light. And we are going to take our true self, our perfect self, and our perfect work with us into the outer world. And we are going to work on making our dreams come true, of manifesting our inner world and having our outer world reflect who we are. Go in peace today. Take the power of your true self with you. Remember, the entire universe is contained within you. You have the power to create the world of your dreams. Namaste.